Facebook Advertising, an in-depth guide. In today's digital age, online advertising is a vital tool for businesses looking to reach a wide and engaged audience. One of the most prominent platforms for this purpose is Facebook, and it offers a comprehensive advertising ecosystem known as Facebook Advertising or Facebook Ads. In this guide, we will explore the various aspects of Facebook advertising, from how to run Facebook ads to the role of the Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook advertising is a digital marketing strategy that harnesses the extensive reach of the Facebook platform to promote products, services, or content to a highly targeted audience. With over 2 billion monthly active users, Facebook is a formidable space for advertisers to connect with potential customers, raise brand awareness, and drive conversions. Facebook's advertising platform provides a diverse range of ad formats and tools, making it versatile for various advertising goals, including brand awareness, lead generation, website traffic, and sales. The key to successful Facebook advertising lies in crafting compelling ads and effectively targeting the right audience. Image ads. These are static image-based advertisements, often containing a single image or graphic. Image ads are commonly used to showcase products, services, or brand visuals. Video ads. Video is a powerful medium for storytelling, and video ads on Facebook allow advertisers to engage their audience with dynamic visuals and audio. Carousel ads. Carousel ads display multiple images or videos in a single ad, enabling advertisers to showcase a range of products or features in a single, interactive ad. Slideshow ads. Slideshow ads are a cost-effective option that combines images, video clips, and text to create a multimedia ad experience. Collection ads. These ads are designed for e-commerce businesses, featuring a combination of images or videos with a product catalog. Users can browse and shop directly from the ad. Instant experience, formerly Canvas, ads. Instant experience ads are immersive, full-screen experiences that enable advertisers to tell a compelling story or showcase products or services in an interactive format. Running Facebook ads involves a series of steps, which can be summarized as follows. Set your advertising objective. Define your goal for the campaign. Are you looking to boost website traffic, generate leads, or drive sales? Facebook provides a variety of ad objectives to choose from. Target your audience. Facebook's ad targeting is one of its most powerful features. You can specify your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even location. Choose ad format and creative. Select the ad format that best suits your campaign objectives. Create engaging ad content with compelling visuals and text. Set budget and schedule. Determine your ad budget, whether daily or lifetime, and set the schedule for when you want your ads to run. Bid strategy. Choose your bidding strategy, which can be based on impressions, clicks, or other actions. Ad placement. Specify where you want your ads to appear, whether on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, or other partner platforms. Review and launch. Review your ad settings and content, and then launch your campaign. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your ads using Facebook's analytics tools and make adjustments as necessary to improve results. Facebook Ads Manager is the central hub for creating, managing, and analyzing your Facebook advertising campaigns. It provides a comprehensive set of tools to help you navigate the intricacies of Facebook advertising. Here's an overview of its main features. Campaign creation. You can create new ad campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads within Ads Manager. It allows you to choose campaign objectives, define your audience, set budgets, and select ad formats. Audience targeting. Ads Manager offers in-depth audience targeting options, enabling you to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audiences. Ad creative management. You can upload and manage the creative assets for your ads, including images, videos, text, and links. Budget and bidding control. Ads Manager provides control over your budget allocation and bidding strategies. You can set daily or lifetime budgets and choose between different bidding options. Performance monitoring. This tool offers a dashboard for tracking key performance metrics such as ad reach, click-through rates, and conversions. You can create custom reports to gain insights into ad performance. A/B testing. Ads Manager allows you to run split tests to compare different ad elements, helping you identify the most effective ad variations. Ad placements. You can specify where your ads will appear, whether in Facebook's news feed, Instagram, Audience Network, or other platforms. Ad scheduling. Schedule your ads to run at specific times or days to maximize their impact. Billing and payments. Manage your billing information, view invoices, and make payments through Ads Manager. Ad account settings. Adjust settings related to your ad account, including permissions, notifications, and ad account roles. Facebook Ads Manager is a robust platform that empowers advertisers to create and optimize ad campaigns while providing valuable insights into ad performance. In summary, Facebook advertising is a dynamic and influential tool for businesses and advertisers. It offers a wide array of ad formats, targeting options, and campaign objectives to help achieve specific marketing goals. Understanding how to run Facebook ads and utilizing the capabilities of Facebook Ads Manager is essential for successful advertising campaigns on this popular social media platform. By following best practices and staying informed about the latest trends, advertisers can effectively leverage Facebook advertising to connect with their target audience and achieve their marketing objectives.